Before I start, I would like to say that I accidentally forgot my safety gear, so it just can count as a face reveal for 20 subs. Okay, enjoy the video. Hi guys, Gabe here. It's that Dave's Geek again, and my dog is in the backyard. I'm very sorry if he barks. Like he is doing right now. You okay? I don't know. I have no idea if he's okay. Anyways, today we have this thing, which will appear on my face right now, because I didn't look this thing up before using it. So anyways, this is a shotgun. It's pump action. And you may think this is just Mega Darts because of how the holes change. A Mega Dart could go right in there. But you're wrong. It doesn't work with Mega Darts. It doesn't work with normal darts. It works with balls. Like little bouncy balls. I'm gonna lose that. And this is what now. It's got one tack rail, an adjustable iron sight, and it's kind of like a semi-auto where you have semi or full auto where you have to hold this thing down before firing it. It uses rival balls that can hold up to 10. Well, with that out of the way, let's get into the shooting part. Both just went pretty far. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I actually made this after making the video, but to load this in, you need to move this up and put the balls in like this. That's how you load it. Okay. Alright, I am back, and I'm proud to say we had our first 50 feet. The longest ball from there to, I kid you not, the fence went 58 feet. Now that's my rating for the blaster. I give it a 9 out of 10. There's just one small issue. Sometimes this will get jammed, and if you do, you just have to go over here and get a pencil and get this tiny white thing. You probably can't even see it and push it into the pump grip. At least that's it for this video. If you like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next Saturday. Actually, we'll see you tomorrow because I missed some videos. Bye.